Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer with Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos to help you wire and configure our WDFC World Drive Flex Control Chassis VFD. In this video, we will show you how to wire a 4 to 20 milliamp signal into the input of the WDFC. With the WDFC drive, if you are wiring in a transducer for a 4 to 20 milliamp signal, then you will land your wires on terminals CM and I2. You'll bring your common wire to terminal CM. You bring your feedback wire to terminal I2. Once those are landed, make sure they're secure. Put your wire in the wire channel. And you also need to flip dip switch number 4 on the top left-hand corner above your terminal strip from V2 to I2, so the drive is now looking for a current analog signal. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.